morning, student. Now again in the part third of chapter number 2, nutrition in animal, whatever we have discussed in the earlier classes. Now here in part third, nutrition in animal part third, I will continue from the parts of the mouth, tongue, that I have left in the previous class. The next is, let me write first, nutrition in animal part third. So I will start from the second, tongue. Tongue is also important organ of the mouth, which is having many different types of functions. First of all, before discussing the function, I will clarify the diagram and their test word. This is the structure of the tongue, having their different test word. This is sweet, bitter, sour, salty. Now, this is known as the test word, which helps to test the food. This tongue is containing a small bud-like structure on the surface of the tongue. ये surface में छोटे-छोटे bud-like structure पाए जाते हैं, which is known as papilla. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं papilla. This is working as a bud on the tongue, helps to test the food. So this is the first function, that the function F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N, the function of tongue. The functions of tongue are this. The first to test the food. Second function, it helps to mix saliva with food. Now third one, it also help in making the food shallow. Making the food shallow is H-A-L-L-O-W. Okay. Now 4 number is to that it help in talking. So these all types of functions which is performed by a tongue in mouths. That's why it is known as the important part or organ of the buccal cavity, which help in the digestion of food. And by the help of this tongue, it helps to mix all the substances with the food, which begins the digestion in the mouth. So now I will start the third part of mouth, is known as salivary gland. So let me erase first from the beginning. I am sure that this is very clear, that how you have to write These all point wise in the copy. Now the third point is salivary gland. Salivary gland. This is also very important organ of the buccal cavity, which is responsible for the secretion of a digestive enzyme known as saliva. इससे जो सेक्रेट होता है इस ग्लैंड से, ये जो सेक्रेट होता है सब्सटेंस, लिपिड सब्सटेंस, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सैलिवा. सैलिवा का कुछ ऐसे फंक्शन है जो हेल्प करता है फूड को कॉम्प्लेक्स से सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने में, बाय इमल्सिफाई द emulsify the starch, into fat. So let me write the function of the saliva point wise. The first is it helps to break the starch into fat. Second, it helps in making the food swallow easily. The third point is that it helps the food to become weight and slippery. Now the buccal cavity is finished here. Now I will move towards the esophagus. अब हम लोग digestive system के esophagus part की ओर बढ़ेंगे. After engulfing the food from the mouth, the food is enter inside the esophagus. ये food जो है engulf करने के बाद ये सीधा esophagus में enter करता है. And esophagus is a muscular organ which helps to transport. वो help करता है food को transport करने में from mouth to stomach. So let me draw the diagram also and show me the process of contraction and relaxation. That process is known as peristaltic movement. उस movement को हम लोग peristaltic movement कहते हैं, जिसके कारण food mouth से stomach में जाता है. This is known as food pipe. This is also known as esophagus. This is a muscular organ. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं muscular organ. Muscular organ. It is also a tube-like structure. Tube-like structure. It helps to transport food from mouth to mouth to stomach, mouth to stomach. The process is known as the process of transportation of food from mouth to stomach, from mouth to stomach is known as peristaltic movement, contraction and relaxation, contraction and relaxation by the process of peristaltic movement, which is done by the esophagus food pipe to transport the food from mouth to stomach. So guys, this topic esophagus is over here. Now the food is already reached in the stomach, and here I am ending my video by saying this, that I will start the topic stomach in the next class. So have a nice day everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video.